traffic's out here in the neighborhood. So just finished up another house. Did the paint. I'll come back tomorrow and start putting the tile and the mosaics down in front of the new bathtub we just made. So, alright, I'll hit you back. What we're doing here is painting this wall to continue. Like this one. This is a remodel we had done. So I'm utilizing looks like a sandstone here. See that? And I'm using it to paint the rest of the wall here. Let me see what I mean. First, I'll always start the border. Everything's taped off. The blue tape is such makes everything easy. Anybody can put the paint on, obviously. But it's a beautiful view. Got me? I'll be back in a second. Traffic. Finished up the paint all across the top there. All that to be done. I tried to blend the wall as best I could. I don't think you could even tell. Now I'm really working on getting this put that together.
Supposed to be entitled to, which is more over half. Now you're dealing with the attitude of that.
Came out nice. Welcome back. Put the mosaics in nicely. Everything came out the way I like. All the way up and down, nice and pretty. And the paint job came out excellent as well. So, once again, another Talent God Experts LLC completion. Alright. So let's look at this all taken care of. There's a little extra paint just based on nice to do your job, get paid. You know, I'm not even done the job. This is simply a tip, or hey, Mike, I just like how you work today. I want to give you something. I don't want you to just leave with nothing, and I appreciate that. I do. I don't know what time it is. It's late. I don't have my daughter, so I just work 24 hours. You know, there's no sense of. And I got clients that let me come to their house 8, 9 o'clock at night and work till 12, work till 1. They're not there. They just leave me there. So, and obviously when they return home, they go check on my work, and I get a text in the morning. Oh my God, Mike, you know, it's nice. Really fortunate with this common ground situation. It's just crazy. Everybody needs it, and you know, it's not hard. It's not hard at all.